Hey, what's up everybody? It's Papa Bale. Welcome to the channel. So, we're just going to mess around with this. It's an electromagnetic rotor. So basically the stator is made out of permanent magnets. And it can either rotate or not, which is pretty cool. Alright, but here we go. We'll spin this up. We're going to turn this off. Yeah, it's nice and dark, huh? Well, watch this. Heck yeah, check that out. That's pretty fun, huh? Let me just pull that magnet out, and it falls into its little rotation. Let's turn the light back on. See, it gets going really pretty quick. Now we'll just turn the magnet a little bit. You might be able to hear it now. Hell yeah. So the magnet actually affects everything like well out, you know, at least I'd say 3 inches out. Okay, more like 2 inches out, but still, you get some action from way out here. So that's pretty cool. But then that's two electromagnets on one permanent magnet. And no maglev. It's not maglev currently. Matter of fact, I'm going to change that real fast. So we're going to double it up just because. I'm looking for my little magnet meter. We want north facing up, so this is the way we want it. It's a lot harder to center these now that I'm not using the 1/4 inch, because my magic disc is for a 1/4 inch shaft. Alright, let's get the rotor back on there. Now I put 7 LEDs on here just using clips. Huh. I think there's some iron on here. There we go. But let's see. Spin it. We'll let it spin into place, I guess. We got the double stacked maglev down there. It's already spinning like way better. I'm gonna have to get my other magnet. All right. Let's see what we get. It's barely high enough. Matter of fact, it probably needs to be a little higher. But see, it being offset like that, this is a manageable speed. So that's very low light output. I'm believing it's because the magnet is barely on the coil. And it's in held-back array. But that's pretty sweet anyway. So I'm thinking maybe the size of this duct tape. Put this on top of this. Oh, that's too high. Yeah, that's too high. Alright, so we need something about half of that size. Try this. yeah, that's way better. Haha. Heck yeah. We got all the colors of the rainbow coming off of this thing too, man. It's awesome. Never had it going really that fast. That's pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna let go of it. There we go. It's on the fringe. Oh, it's not gonna go. So cool. Yeah, I have so much fun playing with this thing because it's like the dynamics are just a little different. You know, it's a little kind of backwards, I guess. Heck yeah. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Peace out. Have a wonderful night. Bye now.